Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Squier Esquire in purple. It's a tele coming in for a pro setup. There's a few things that will be done as well. Number one is the tuners will be swapped out to a gotoh locking tuners. Number two, the frets edges itself is a bit sharp. It's not overly sharp, but to make it a bit more playable, a bit more smooth, what I did was I did some fret dressing to it. Then apart from that, the pickguard will be changed as well from a black pickguard to white pickguard. This is by request also. Apart from that, as you can see here, is also the EMG kill switch. This will be added as well to the controls. What else? Other than that, the setup is pretty low. It's quite comfortable. Okay, by the way, if you are looking for a new guitar, this is one of the better guitars that I have seen coming in to the shop in the past year or so. So if you're looking for a Strat, a tele, a bass, one of the guitars that I highly recommend is of course Squier. Reason being the QC is actually quite good. The build quality in terms of the finish and the material is actually quite acceptable for the price range. So of course this guy which owns the guitar is not a beginner. He's actually quite pro level. It's only that if it works for him, I highly recommend it for beginners as well because of the price range itself. So one of the two guitars that I highly recommend is Yamaha and Squiers. So if you want to get one, please of course get someone who can already play to actually check it out for you. But apart from that, from my experience, the quality has been quite good. So yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the rest of it. Bye. Alright, so it sounds pretty good. If you like my work and you wish to actually send your guitars in or basses in, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.